Hello everyone, welcome YouTube. This is part 2 of our video. So now we're going to be making a model, a peanut butter and jelly, how to make one, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Your model, how I'm going to grade it, if it has arrows, labels, an explanation, and color. So first, to draw, what you do, find the icon next to the arrow, drop down, and then do scribble. And then play around with it. It is hard to draw online. So if you want to draw on paper and pencil instead, like the old-fashioned way, and send it to me, give me an email or put it on Google Classroom yourself, then that counts too. But I'm going to be showing everyone how to make a face, or how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich using Google Draw instead. So first, we need to get all the materials. So select line, get an arrow, an arrow. We'll do scribble. So if you guys make a mistake, hit Control Z, or you can hit backspace on them. Drop down, I want to scribble. So first we're going to make all the materials. It's going to be my peanut butter. And then this will be my jelly. They look pretty much the same. But I'm going to change the color. So it's easier for me to tell which one's peanut butter and which one is jelly. And this is going to be strawberry jelly, so it's going to be red. Okay. And also, what I want people to do is to label their things so I know what's what. Jelly. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a knife so I can spread it. The knife's kind of hard to draw. Okay, that's my knife. It's kind of hard to tell it's a knife, so I'm going to label it. And try and think, is there anything else I'm missing? I do need the bread too. So down below, I'm going to draw a plate and a bread. Curve, scribble. Okay. Here's my plate. It's really ugly, I know. And then I'm going to have some bread. Okay. Then do text box. And then label it, plate with bread. Okay. So now this is the important part. Now we have to have some action verbs. So you describe what's going on and have some arrows. So go, instead of scribbling now, we're going to add arrows. So first things first, I usually put the knife in the peanut butter first, and then I'll put it on the bread. So then I want you to describe what's going on. So step 1, spread peanut butter on bread. Step 2, spread jelly on bread. Okay. And then you're going to show me that you're doing that with arrows. Cool. Now for step 3, we're pretty much going to be doing the same thing again. Step 3, repeat steps 1 and 2. So how am I going to show that? I'm just going to do a times 2. You do have to be a little bit creative here. Times 2. That basically means I'm going to do it twice. Oops. Okay. Then after you do that, I'm going to draw the two breads coming together. Bread 1 plus this bread. And then that'll also go on the plate. Cool. Step 4, combine both slices of bread and put on plate. Cool. That's awesome. So what I'm going to be looking for, arrows, yes. Labels, yes. Explanation, yes. And then color. Doesn't have to be, everything doesn't have to have color, but some things do. Then when you're ready, that's all the time we had today.